Hi, this is Ben Herring with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Metro Brokers. I'm here with Tammy Folsom. She is a senior loan officer with Metro Brokers Financial. She's going to tell us about an exciting new loan program they have to offer what's probably going to be a lot of buyers here. So Tammy, can you talk to us about it?
Of course I can. So the program that Ben is referring to is a traditional FHA mortgage product, and FHA requires a 3.5% down payment. With this program, the borrowers are only required to put down 1.5%. The other 2% comes from the lender as a down payment assistance grant that never has to be repaid. That's important because it never has to be repaid. And the way this is done is they kind of build it into the interest rate. So what that means is, with traditional down payment assistance, those grants are usually soft seconds that at some point during the loan time, they're going to have to be repaid, whether the borrower refinances or if they sell that property. And there's usually a specified time frame that they will have to repay that down payment assistance money. With this product, that is not the case. It never has to be repaid. So it's huge to the borrower.
Yes, great.
So there are stipulations, of course, that come along with any kind of loan program that you have. And the first one is the borrower has to have a 620 credit score. And they have to have that so that we get what's called an approved eligible. And what I mean by that is we have to run all of our loans through an automated process. And an approved eligible means that you have an automated approval. So as long as we get an automated approval, we're good to go.
Right.
But there's other stipulations as well. And what those are is, they have set forth who qualifies for this program. And there's a list. And quite frankly, it is so easy for pretty much anybody to qualify. Because, what they say is somebody that's on the loan has to be a first-time home buyer, which means that they could not have owned a home within the last 3 years. They have to be an educator, or they have to be in public service, which means, like an EMT, police officer, firefighter, sheriff, someone in that capacity. Or you had to be a volunteer at some point in your life. And when I say that, it's rather loose because you only can have been a volunteer for 1 day, and that qualifies you.
Wow.
The last way is, they have what's called the area median income for each county. And let's say that the median income is $100,000. Well, they say that you can make up to 140% of the median income, which means if you make below $140,000, you can qualify. And so it just opens up so many doors for so many potential borrowers, that didn't qualify, initially, or if, they didn't have the required 3.5% down payment.
Right.
But this is huge for Metro Brokers Financial because, again, we have not dealt with down payment assistance because it is such a disadvantage to the borrower to where, they have to repay it. With this one, it's simply not the case. And so it's huge for us, and this is just a fantastic all-around product. And I am so excited because, it's just opening up so many doors for so many new potential borrowers.
Right.
So,
Well, yeah, that's really awesome.
It
Thanks for telling me about it.
you're welcome.
Again, I will have contact information about this and for the both of us to find out more. So just reach out when you need some help. We can take care of it.
Yes, we can.
Thanks.
Thank you.